Hi guys, I'm Mark and today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the QCY T1 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Seeing as there's so many awesome yet affordable options at this price point, are these even worth considering, or can you get more bang for your buck elsewhere for the exact same cost? Well, let's find out. For £28 or $40 the QCY T1 Pros certainly have a lot to live up to, especially with the likes of the JLab JBuds, Soundpeats TrueFrees aka DDLC's Ace, just above or just below this price point. So if I'm honest, this review is already shaping up to be pretty brutal, as my expectations for a $40 budget are actually pretty high with all that's on offer these days. So let's take a look at what's inside the box first of all. The T1 Pros give a futuristic, sleek first impression before you even open the box, and it only gets better from there. The cold feel of the aluminium case, the AirPod-like finish and feel of each earbud, the overall shape and design, the slide to reveal case, you're getting build quality and design that can only truly be rivaled by options at double the price. I gotta say though, the case is probably bulkier than any of the budget true wireless earbuds I've tested so far. This case is surprisingly chunky given the small profile of each earbud. You do get extra ear tips included to ensure a secure fit, and also these earbuds are IPX4 waterproof too. In terms of battery life, the T1 Pros are pretty much tied with every other option on the market, with a 750 mAh capacity charging case. That's 5 additional charges for both earbuds, translating to around 18 hours extra battery life overall. Each earbud has a 40 mAh battery, meaning 2 to 3 hours of playback in one sitting before needing to recharge. Sadly, not quite matching the 4 hours of non-stop playback offered by the $30 Soundpeats TrueFrees and most other budget true wireless earbuds. All in all, the battery life is just a little below average. But will you get that awful Bluetooth latency that sometimes goes hand in hand with budget true wireless earbuds? Well, with Bluetooth 5.0 and the support of AAC and SBC audio codecs, that dreaded audio-visual lag when watching Netflix, YouTube or gaming is basically non-existent. Apart from, if you're using an iPhone of course, which are always light years behind on this front. As always, the big deciding factor above everything else is sound quality, so let's take a listen. What do you guys think? I'm actually really impressed because I think that these might just be one of the best earbuds in terms of sound quality at this price point. The T1 Pros offer a well-balanced palette of sound with bass that doesn't overly dominate the soundscape. The highs are ever so slightly richer, more fleshed out, plus vocals are undeniably clearer and more defined than what you would expect from your average budget earbuds. If I had a gun to my head, I'd say that the Soundpeats TrueFrees have a slight edge when it comes to bass, but with the T1 Pros, I found it much easier to distinguish each instrument, melody, and vocals from one another. It's a close call, but the T1 Pros are looking like they might just be my new budget true wireless earbud hero for solid sound quality at an extremely low price point. If you're looking for punchier bass, I'd probably recommend you check out my future video on the Towertronic Sound Liberty 53s or the Sabbat E12, which I've already done a video on, but damn, what you're getting for your money here is truly awesome. And if you want me to compare the T1 Pros to any other true wireless earbuds, then let me know in the comments below. The positives definitely outweigh the negatives here, the negatives being the slightly below average battery life, that bulky, unbranded case, and well, that's it, that's all I could think of. The list of positives go on, however. You've got responsive touch controls, decent passive noise cancellation, extra ear tips to ensure a nice secure fit, it's great value for money, a unique design, killer sound quality, I could go on. But all in all, you're currently looking at one of the best affordable true wireless earbuds out there right now, and trust me, the T1 Pros aren't going to be easy to beat. If you do want to check out what spending a little bit more money gets you, definitely check out my review of the Creative Outlier Airs or Sabbat E12s if you love bass by clicking one of these videos on the screen right now, or you can just binge watch my budget true wireless earbuds playlist and assess all of your options. My 5 best affordable true wireless earbuds video is in that playlist too. Okay, so pick one of those and I'll see you in the next video.